Yes.
Failure is a step to success, ma'am. And we should never end our goals at starting itself, ma'am. One day life will take us somewhere and it will give the best challenges in our life, ma'am.
Oh, that's a wonderful understanding what you are having through this thing. The point here is you say that you should not let go the things. Yes. Anything else you want to add? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Where are you? Your video is off, I think so. I can't see you, dear.
Ma'am,
Where are
you
you?
can't start your video. It's coming, ma'am.
Where? Okay, fine. Thank you for the feedback, dear. And next, Sparsha, you can unmute and speak yourself, dear.
Ma'am, if we do hard work in our life, then only we'll achieve something in our life, ma'am.
Okay, can I see you on the screen, please? So hard work. Still, what did you pick up from this video? What do you understand? Basically, I just want to know what did you draw the inspiration or example, or like when you see something, you pursue something. So what exactly you pursued in this?
Ma'am, if we fail in something, we should not think that, think about it, ma'am. We should think that next time we can try it still better.
Okay, fine. That's really good. Okay, that's really good. Sanjana, are you there? You can unmute your audio, video, and speak, dear. Yes, Sanjana.
Mom, they think only reading is a way to success, mom. But no, some talents like dance and acting and all, mom.
That is all about the passion, dear. If you have passion, you can reach to heights of success no matter what. I was just talking about in my previous session about the choice and the consistency in the choices what you make. I'll come to this along with the confidence. Moving on to the session. Thank you, dear, for the answer. Anybody else, or shall I go ahead here? Ma'am, we should not lose self-confidence, ma'am, at any situations. By Manasa. Failure is success. Kiran, can you unmute your audio and video, please? I have a question for you. Then Sahiti, I'll come to you, dear, in a couple of minutes. Sashi Kiran, you there? Okay. Video, please. Okay, unmute yourself. Tell me, dear. How the failure is success?
When we want to do something, means it will become fail, no, ma'am.
Something became fail. Okay, good. It failed. Next what?
So we should not lose our self confidence.
Okay. So why should we not lose our self-confidence? What will happen? Already you have failed, Baba. Why? What is the point? Already you have failed. No, chapter is over. Then what next?
Again, we should try, ma'am, not leave that like that only, ma'am.
What you will try? You will try in the same way, again you'll fail in the same way, right? So you have to change your strategies, your steps. Okay, you have to learn from your mistakes. But next, I should not do the same way. Okay, good. Okay, then thanks for the answer. That's really good. So shall I move on to the session now? I think Sahiti is there. Sahiti, after you, I'll start the explanation on the point of confidence and consistency and the choices what you make with consistency and with the help of the confidence. Come on, Sahiti, unmute yourself and speak, dear. Audio and video both. Sahiti, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Video, dear? Yeah.
Ma'am, we have. Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, dear.
Ma'am, we have to keep a goal and try to achieve it, ma'am.
Okay, you have to keep a goal, you have to achieve. But you are not able to achieve, then what will you do?
Ma'am, we have to not lose hope, ma'am. We have to try it until we achieve it, ma'am.
We should not lose hope until we achieve. So that's the point. The hope will drive the force to achieve. That's wonderful answer there. Thank you so much. Now I'm muting everybody so that I can move ahead with the session. So coming to a point, after seeing this video, many of you had different perceptions. because it all depends how you look at it, and that's the way of life I believe in, which I always say. But at the end of the day, it's about you who makes choices. See, children, one thing, I think Preeti also has some answer here. Ma'am, we have to struggle and put some effort, then only we achieve something in our life. Yes, there is no achievement without an effort and hard work. The three things which I would like to talk about here is the choices you make about your career. Ma'am, I'm just 8th standard, so what choice I can make now? So what are the chances you taken, and how to have the consistency to reach the goal, and where this confidence come into the picture? I'll talk about it now. See, coming to a point, parents are by chance. You cannot choose your parents, yes or no. Just give me the answers in the chat box. Parents are by choice or chance? If it is by chance, C1. If it's by choice, C2. Come on. I want the feedback. Quick, quick, quick. Only Sanjana is answering. Siddharaj. Only two? Okay. Okay, very good. Answers are pouring in here. Yes, the parents are by chance. We never decide who are our parents. They are by chance. Once we come into this world, everything, the food you eat, the bed you sleep in, the shelter you are living in, and the clothes which you are wearing and sitting right now is given by your parents. What are you giving in return? Which I always ask you and remind you, because we have the gratitude towards our parents who have given this life. That's a big thing what they've given to us to live this life. So many students fail to understand this, and they throw a lot of tantrums and they will not listen to the parents. So what will happen? Automatically, they are not focusing on that. But you need to be thankful for this life what the parents have given. Even in this lockdown period, you are getting education at right in the convenience of your house, because your parents are making things happen for you. Your teachers are making things happen for you, isn't it? So coming towards your career, ma'am, after degree we will think. No, dear, that's not the age. Do you know at what age, if you are aiming, if a parent wants a child to get into an Olympics field, at what age they start giving the practice? At very tender age. Can I guess what age the practice will be started? Can I have the answers here in the chat box, please, children? I want to know what is the age. Sanjana, yeah, 1 year baby. Okay. I think it's too young, I know. Just guess. Approx. No, Vivek. That's not the right answer. Okay, okay, Sparsha is here, bang on. Exactly, maybe around 4 to 5 years they start. Suppose if I want my son to be a chess master, I'll not start teaching him chess. I get the toys of chess. If I want my son to be a storyteller or to be a good trainer, I will not train him to be a trainer. I'll give things related to it. I'll start giving storybooks. I'll allow him to speak. I'll get a prototype of mic with the speaker where he can practice and play. So at that age, or you might be thinking, ma'am, I'm already more than 10 years old now. Is this right time to learn? Right now is right time to learn. When to start? Right now is the right time. That's what I always remind one thing. Learning is never ending, and age is just a number to learn. Even now, I am a student of 2 courses and 1 degree. So why I'm telling you all this, children? Because the choices you make, the career, when you saw these legends on the screen today, the 5 minutes, or sorry, almost 3 minutes video it is. What do you draw this as inspiration? You'll forget it in couple of hours or couple of days. But the thing what you learn, if you register in your subconscious state of mind, yes, I have to achieve something in my life in future. What am I doing now will have a definite impact on my future when I'm planning. It's not that after degree or after your PU or something you plan for your career. The career planning, the thinking, the choices what you make. Suppose you want to be a good dancer, practice every single day. Ma'am, the pandemic is there, no problem. YouTube is there now. See in YouTube and learn. If you want to be a good sports person, practice it in the morning and evening in home. Observing what they do. Practice on terrace if you can't go to a ground nearby or a park nearby. If you want to be a good artist, spend every single day with couple of hours learning. The self-learning, what do you call asynchronous learning? Synchronous learning means where you have to sync with somebody where they're pushing you to do this, do that, and all. But asynchronous is self-learning, self-driven, self-motivated person who want to learn and equip the knowledge to improve oneself, and taking the help of the people who are just like a facilitator. Your parent is a facilitator who is getting things done for you at home by giving the gadgets to learn. Your teachers are facilitators who are giving the knowledge online and sending you the worksheets and all. I am here facilitating with the personality development session where you will get a thought process. It's not just all about the marks. Life skills is a part of education. No, education is a part of life skill, which we fail to understand at a very young age. Is it necessary? Yes, it's necessary. Our environment is educating, our parents are educating, our teachers are educating, our friends, everybody are educating. They are not sitting and teaching you. The way they behave, the way they talk, the way they respond, the way they will tell you something is also educating. I don't learn by instruction or listening. You don't learn by listening or instructions. You learn by observation also. The way your mom and dad are responding to you, they are telling you this is the way I react rather than responding. It depends upon. Yes, Aparna, if you want to be a good dancer, you can watch videos and learn. See, where does this choice comes from? The choice comes from the interest. You should think, what is my interest? What do I enjoy? So the moment your work is enjoyable, then that is not a work. That is a fun, I tell you. So where does the confidence come into picture? Ma'am, I have a stage fear. I have a fear of coming onto the screen and to speak. I have fear that I can't express my knowledge. There are so many fears. Who are telling that? Who is telling that you have this fear? Can I have some answers in the chat box? Who will tell that you have fear of this, you have fear? Sorry, children, there was some technical problem, so it got disconnected. So can I have the answers in the chat box, please? Once again, because the previous session video was saving, so it got disconnected. Can you all hear me, children? Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. I need the answers for this now. What did I ask right now? Come on. Fine. Come on. Come on. Give me the answers, please. Yes, I'm audible now. There was some video saving after the previous session, so it got disconnected. No issues. Okay, Sanjana, you can unmute and speak, dear.
Ma'am,
Yep. Come on. What's the answer?
for me, chat box is not coming, ma'am. Best school is not there in this meeting. It's coming, ma'am.
Okay, fine. 1 second. You try once again.
No, ma'am, it's not coming, ma'am.
Yes, Preeti, tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is not listening, ma'am, so that I couldn't.
Follow the question. Okay, fine, fine, fine. So I think there was some technical glitch over here. So I'll ask once again now. The question here is how to make your choices. How will you choose what is right for your career? How will you choose the choices? Okay, Sanjana, you want to become a chess grandmaster. So wonderful. So unmute yourself, Sanjana, and give me the answer. What you have to do to be a chess grandmaster? Next, after Sanjana, Dharani Reddy will unmute and speak. Come on, be quick, Sanjana. Unmute, unmute now. I've given the command. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, practice and interest, ma'am.
Okay, practice. How long to practice?
3 years.
No, I won't think so. That's enough. How many times to practice?
For a day, 6 times.
Is that enough? You just check out in the Google how the grandmasters, if you want to be a grandmaster, how many hours of the practice they do. So just check it out. I want all of you to mute the mics here. And when I ask the question, raise the hand, then you can unmute. So the point here is the choices what you make. Okay. Siddharth Sarjan, you can unmute your video and audio so that I want to know your answer. Moving on to that, I'll continue with the explanation. Come on, Siddharth. Unmute your video and audio. Yeah, you there. Video, please. Yes, tell me, dear, what do you want to do?
I want to become a football player.
So for that, okay, for that, what do you have to do?
I have to practice.
You have to practice what? I think your video is off. Can you put it on, please?
Ma'am, here it is telling a host
No,
has
no.
decided.
No. You switch it on. You will come now. Yep.
Again it is stopped.
No, you start. It will come. It will come.
Yes.
Okay. I think somebody's mic is on. Please unmute. Okay, dear. Come on, dear. Give me the answer, please. Go ahead with your answer. What do you have to do if you have to be an athlete or a football player? What do you have to do?
You have to practice day by day, and we have to not stop that. For me, some it came means you should not tell that I got everything. You should be practicing only. You should tell.
Only practice is enough?
We have to learn the what you have to do in that games.
Okay, only learning is enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Only practice is enough? Okay, only skills is enough? Only skills is enough?
No, ma'am. We have to be confident in that we are going to
Okay,
play it.
only confidence is enough. First, you should observe and learn what is needed for you. Where are you lagging behind? What are your strengths and weaknesses to pick it up? Then you'll be able to focus, and you should have a right coach and guide, and you should have a right food and diet, and then you have to work on many things, not just one thing. The consistency should be there. You should not give up, only on weekends I'll do. No, you have to do every single day. Okay, come on, Dharani, you can unmute yourself and speak now. And then Saiti.
I want to become IAS officer.
I can't see your screen. Can I have your screen, please?
It's not coming, ma'am.
Where are you? Raise your hand, please, once again. Okay, now you can unmute.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to become DC, ma'am. IAS officer.
So what do you have to do for that?
Ma'am, first we have to make the correct choices, where we have to learn and which college and what training we have to take, ma'am.
Then next.
We should work hard for 18 to 20 hours, ma'am.
Next.
And should read magazine every day, ma'am. And at this age itself, we have to learn how to help people, ma'am. At friend, it will be useful, ma'am.
Okay. How did you learn all these things that you have to do? Who shared this with you?
No one. My father will be telling me how to do and what are the main important things to become DC officer, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Your father is doing a great job of you to put the things in your mind at very young age. That's really wonderful. I appreciate your father, the way he's telling you, because I know the process. That's really a tedious process. All the best for your aspiration. You have to have the clarity. You have to have the consistency. You have to do the things from very young age. You have to get into that habits. The habits will help you to, have that stability in your preparation, because it's not one day or 2 days. It's a long run. That's wonderful answer, dear. And Saiti, you can unmute yourself and speak, ma. Saiti. Are you there, Saiti? Yes.
Ma'am, I want to become a badminton player, ma'am.
So what are you doing for that, dear?
Ma'am, I practice shuttle every day, ma'am.
Okay, to have the stamina. Then what else you do? Do you understand the importance of the rules and games and that everything you have started learning already?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you observe how the other players play, how many hours they practice?
Yes, ma'am.
Or still what else you do?
I watch that badminton playing every day in TV, ma'am.
Okay, so that is theoretical, and what you read about it and see. So the practical thing is when you start performing on it. All the best for you that you are on track. You are picking up and always one thing, children. We learn more from observation, and then we try to inculcate and try to implement in our own way. That's a wonderful thing you're doing, Sahiti. All the best. Next, Manasa, you can unmute yourself and speak, dear. You want to say something, Sahiti? Okay, fine. She is done with that. Okay, start with the video also. Manasa.
Ma'am, I wanna become a scientist, ma'am.
Oh, that's an interesting. What do you want? What sort of scientist you want to become in your life?
I wanna become a biological scientist, ma'am.
Okay, for that, what are you doing right now?
Ma'am, daily I'm seeing the great scientist videos, ma'am, how they achieved in their life, ma'am. What are the steps they taken to achieve, ma'am?
Okay, so this is a very good example what you're sharing with your friends, which is helping you because the first thing what you learn is try to observe, to know what people have done, and to bridge the gap what has not been done, to come up with your own way of getting things done in your life. So a scientist here in my session, I'm really happy. There is a badminton player, there is a chess grandmaster, and there is an athlete and a dancer, and so many there are. I am really inspired by you all, rather me inspiring you all. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. So yeah, you can mute your mic and video. So children, so here another 5-10 minutes I'll be ending my session. I think just time flew by 10:30 to 11:50, just 45-minute session it is. But still coming about the confidence, the point, the key is the moment you fear the fear. My question was, what is the fear and who is telling that you have a fear in your mind? Who tells that? Can I have the answers, please? This was my question. In between, I asked for you all. So tell me now, who tells you that you have some fear in your this thing, mind? Come on, quick. I want quick answers now. Not through mic. You have to and don't unmute the mic. I want the answers in the chat box. I want your answers typed. Yes. Come on, quick. Dharani is saying our heart. Heart just pumps the blood, dear, to the whole body. Heart will not say. Heart is just the pumping, blood to whole of our body. Sahiti, bang on. You picked up from my session. Yes, our subconscious state of mind will be telling, oh my God, I am feeling very scary to go onto the stage. At the moment, the whole mic, you are literally shivering like this. You'll be starting shivering. Aparna says the brain. The brain is an organ, but it's doing its job as a signal, what it gives. But what is that something which will be telling you? Literally, the words will be coming out from that. Sanjana, good. If you're fearing, you're having a stage fear, first you should only go and do. That's wonderful answer. That's the truth even. So the moment you face the fear, who is telling you the fear? I am getting scared to get onto the stage. I can't do this. I can't do that. I can't speak in Zoom classes online, on screen. I don't want to speak. I just want to sit and listen and enjoy the session. No. Come on, tell me. Give me the answers. Brain is giving you the signals, but there is something called voice. Namma manassu. Our mind will be telling you, hey, no, yaar, I'll not eat this food. This is not nice. I'll not wear this dress. This is not nice. I'll not go to school. I'm scared of corona. I don't want to read. I'm feeling bored. I'm feeling alone. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. I want to do this. I want to do that. Your mind is always speaking to you. Yes or no? Answers in the chat box. Yes or no, children? Is your mind speaking to you or not? Even right now when I'm taking session, I'm talking to you all. Your mind is saying something, like Srisha ma'am is saying this is what I'm observing and listening, and you're trying to, have it in your mind, registered in your subconscious state of mind. Your mind is like that, mad monkey. It will be fluttering here and there, sorry, not fluttering, it will be jumping here and there. Butterfly, like a butterfly, it will be fluttering, like a monkey, it will be jumping. Your mind will not listen to you at times. You don't want to watch a cricket match. Exams are there, but it's okay. I am having too many revisions. No, let me watch the cricket match. If you don't want to eat ice cream, you have a cold. Again, mama, like it's okay. I like ice cream. Let me have one scoop. No problem. So yes, Yogesh, ma'am, for me, no one is telling you will. Okay, no one is telling. That's the point here I want to tell. Nobody will tell you are scared. Your mind will be telling, I will not do this, I will not do that. Always negative, saying, no, I will try, I will do. It will not say. It will say only when you're confident. How the confidence comes? The confidence will right away come to you only when you face the fear, shutting your mind, telling, okay, it's difficult, I am little scared, but still I will do. You be quiet. Automatically, the voice in your mind, what it is speaking, no, chirpir, 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 it will be telling you some or the other thing. It will go silent. And your mind will be telling, and I always tell one thing, children, the only person who knows everything about you is only you, nobody else. So even not even your parents or friends, you think that they know everything about yourself. Sorry, what happens in your mind, what is running your mind, you will be not telling to everybody anything completely. You'll tell only the portion of it. So you are the person who have to judge yourself. So if you want to conquer the confidence, face the fear, what is you're facing in your mind, then in reality, automatically that confidence will come. Practice gives you the confidence. You want to speak something, you need to have a practice, then it will become a habit. If you're not practicing, the habit will not come into the picture. So your habits will help you to get the confidence. And the habits are not like once in blue moon day, weekly once I'll practice, or once in a month. No, the practice will happen every single day. So the choices you make about the career, you have to do right now. Based on the choices, you have to choose your career to practice. So the moment you're making your career, it's not after Sachin Tendulkar didn't make career now. He started right from the young age. Shah Rukh Khan didn't make career now. He started at the age of very, like a teenager. He started. He used to borrow 20 rupees. Sachin Tendulkar, he was an 8th grade fail. He didn't get disappointed. I am a failure. He started his interest and he started investing, focusing everything on one channel, only cricket. Not doing everything here, there, here, there, here, there. Focusing on one channel with full concentration. So the channel of your choice and concentration on the choice and the consistency with the choice, the C's which are very important for your career, and the constant approach is what makes you confident. So to have this one thing, you need to work on to make a choice first. Parents are by chance, but not your careers. Careers are not by chance, it's by choice. You cannot force somebody to do this and do that. Even if you force, one fine day they will give up because it's not the choice. So always have the consistency of practice with your choices. What do you make now? One day, okay, I like this, I'll do this. After 1 month, say, no, I don't want to go for football. Let me go for dance. After some time, no, yeah, let me do something. Don't keep on changing your path. Don't keep on changing your goals to reach your aim. The path, if you're dancing at home, next tomorrow, once the lockdown is over, join some dance school. Then once you're done here, they go from courses in the Bangalore or some metro cities. In this way, your goals are short-term goals to achieve. Your aim is the long-term, the one which you aim till the end. So try to achieve the small goal to reach your aim. And at the same time, you need to understand by observational learning what you observe from your role model in that particular career. It will help you to understand how I can reach that. Everybody are not blessed with a family where they have all the benefits. Not all parents are having the knowledge about the particular choice of your career, what you make in. So you have to be dependent on the secondary learning on using through internet or using the knowledge what others share or attending the courses or seminars or inspirational sessions or motivational sessions. Motivation session is just like, taking a bath for one day. You'll be fresh. Oh, Trisha ma'am class I attended, I got motivated, I have to do this, that. After 2 days, gone. You have to be self-driven, self-motivated, and you should have the consistency with your choices of your career with every single day practice. That's very much important. So the key points: choices make career, and to make your career you need to have confidence, and to have that confidence you need to have consistency with the choices which you make. Again, it boils down to the same thing. And what I tell always, the food you eat, the bed you sleep in, and the shelter you're living in is given by your parents. In return, what you give is the respect and the gratitude for what they have done, and obeying what they say. No parents will hate their child. Whatever they say, it's for their good, right? But we feel bad at times, We really feel bad at times when they scold us. Yes, we are human beings. We might feel bad. But take a pause. Take a pause. Think why my mama and my dad are scolding this way. Don't give a chance to them next time to scold on the same topic. Make new mistakes to learn, have a different experiences. But don't do a mistake purposefully. It should be by chance again at the same point of time. And dear children, I must tell you, already we have crossed 11:15. It's already 11:20. So I would like to conclude my session. Children, make a choice what keeps you interested. Have consistency with the practice and try to improve yourself. And always remember one thing, you have to make a mark to yourself. The moment somebody sees, look at that boy, he is my son, I'm proud of him. Look at that girl, she's my daughter, I'm proud of her. That's the feeling a parent should get and teacher should get. She is my student, he is my student. And you should feel that connectivity, the sense of belongingness. Yes, I am something on my own. The day you are self-dependent on yourself, being independent learner, you'll reach to heights of success. And to learn age is just a number. That's why I keep saying to my student, I am also a student. I'm a student, fourth semester of B.Ed and student of fifth year of my postgraduate diploma in drawing and painting, 5 years course. It's a master course. And this April, I was supposed to write exam and complete my degree. But due to lockdown, I couldn't. But now I say, yes, I have completed the 5 years of a course, correspondence, and attending the evening college. Why I do this? Because I need to have my credentials being a trainer. And the more knowledge I learn, I'll be enjoying sharing it with everybody because I believe in being a reason to smile. So children, always remember one thing, be a mark for yourself in a careers and choices you make. And the confidence thing, the key. The key is consistency of your practice. So by this, I would like to conclude my session. And before that, the last 5 minutes, I would like to have a feedback from you all. I request all of you to switch on your videos, and whoever want to speak, raise their hand, and I will switch on the mics for them, and then you can give me the feedback of what did you learn today in my session of confidence, the choices you make for the consistency to reach the goal of your career, and be a person of yourself and the aim what you have now. It takes time. So your aim needs time, and that time is when? Right now. So I think you all have unlocked your mics and fine. Please raise your hands or thumb so that I can unmute your mic. Hope you picked up something from this session. Yes, Madhushri, unmute your audio and video. Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, when you was asked a question, no, ma'am, what is your aim? That all? that ma'am all was saying no ma'am, I want to become scientist and all.
Okay.
At that time even I want to say ma'am, I want to become a doctor ma'am, but I was having some fear to speak with you ma'am. When you was told that motivated words ma'am, by listening that I thought to say for you ma'am.
Oh my God. That's really cute. That's really cute. So, see, the words are magical if you use it in a right way. And my words touched your soul. And you got that confidence in the session and you wanted to speak. That's really a very good, feedback I ever had. Thanks, dear, my dear. That's really wonderful. I think you got disconnected.
Thank you ma'am.
Video, please switch on your video, dear. Yeah. I should thank you, dear, that in the session, what I was talking about confidence, you got the confidence to face the fear and you shut your mind, that fearful mind. You wanted to say, but you couldn't say to attend onto the screen. But at the end of the session, you could overcome the fear and you got the confidence to speak. I give a big round of applause for you from my bottom of my soul, my dear. I'm really inspired by you today, actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you ma'am.
That's wonderful, dear. I have no words. I really have no words. And next week, I'll be coming up with few competitions where you all can speak for 3 minutes online presentations. And it will be recorded and posted in my YouTube link, and I'll share it with the world. These are the stars of best institution who are ready to, slay the world. Okay? And next, who wants to speak here? Please raise your thumb so that I can unmute. Who wants to speak next? Aparna is asking YouTube link, and Siddharaj is asking next class about the parents. Yes, Siddharaj, I'll be coming up with a session for the parents too. I will update in the meeting once I get the organized curriculum for them to present. Next, Pavitra, you can unmute yourself and speak. You have inspired me in this session to reach my goal in my life. Wonderful, Pavitra. Where are you? Where is your screen? I can't see you. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Pavitra. Go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear.
Ma'am, in this session, I has inspired by you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
To reach my goal properly and correctly, ma'am.
Okay, dear, that's really good. I'm so happy to hear that. And I like the background what you're having with all that write-ups and photographs and that thing, It's really good.
Yeah, ma'am.
You have done. See, that's what the moment you have to keep seeing your aim and goal every day. You have to write down that. Every day you have to see. I'll come up with the next time how to plan yourself to remind yourself about the goal. Wonderful, dear. Next, who wants to speak? Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come again. What is that?
Cricket player, ma'am.
So for that, what you have to do?
Practice.
Okay. So what did you learn from the session?
To reach my goal. Yes, ma'am.
Only nice. Nice is a very common word, what I say. So my student doesn't take the word nice. What are the words which they have to use? The vocabulary bank. So what do you say that? Okay, thank you, Ria. Next, who else? You spoke this much, I'm very happy. Okay, next, who else? Can I have the answers? Yes, Sanjana, where are you? I can't see you, Sanjana, on the screen. Dharni? Here she is. Yes. Yes, Sanjana, you can unmute yourself. Can you? Okay, now you try. Now you can unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I learned how to reach properly my goal in life, ma'am.
Okay.
In a proper way, ma'am, and you raised me up, ma'am.
I raised you up.
Yes, ma'am.
Raised your bar. the bar of thinking. I raised the way you think, a different line of thinking. Will you really work hard?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you make your mama proud? I know your mom struggles a lot. The last time in a meeting, she said that she's working hard in this pandemic time, even. You're alone at home. But you should be self monitored and you should be self motivated, my dear. I am with you. Anything as such, just drop a message in school timings. Okay? Okay, Dharani, next you can unmute yourself and speak.
Ma'am, today we came to know about others, ma'am, and what are their fears and what they want to become, ma'am.
Okay.
And you motivated everyone, ma'am. And today class was really wonderful, ma'am.
Okay, but the point here is that the moment your mind is speaking something, shut it. Shut that mouth. Don't tell me these things. You should speak to yourself. Your mind is always talking to you. Always that inner voice is talking to you. And only person who knows everything about everybody, no. The only person who knows everything about you is only you, not everybody here. So you have to shut that mind when the mind is talking negative, and and automatically, who will tell? I'm having scared. I'm feared. Your mind will be telling na at the end of the day. So you have to shut your mind and you have to put positive things in the mind. Wonderful, dear. So shall I conclude the session? We are exactly at 11:31 now. So I request you all to have a wonderful Sunday. So as it's Sunday, many of you couldn't join in. I wish that next Sunday will make a wonderful day. Monday to Friday, you all know that we have packed with 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock classes. So I'm not taking sessions on weekdays. It will be on weekend, on Sunday mornings with me. So I will end my session here. Thank you one and all for joining in and have a great day. Keep the things what will matter to you in your mind, because that's the place you live in every single day. And take care of your body, because that is a place where you live in every day. So keep yourself safe in this corona pandemic time, and stay at home, stay safe, with lots of love and affection for you all, my dear students. Sisha Bhima signing off, coordinator and social media promoter and trainer for the best institution. Take care, children, and I miss you all, and see you very soon in the next class on next Sunday. Bye-bye. I end the meeting for you all now.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thanks for
Bye,
a lot of
Bye,
wishes
Bye,
and compliments.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.